Sarasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. How are you all dear students? Fine? Good? Okay. So students, we will start with our math subject. Okay? So take we are learning chapter number 7, that is patterns. What? Patterns. Okay? Pattern means you already know. Yes, pattern means it is a sequence. Yes, it is a sequence arranged alternately of anything like things, designs, shapes, numbers, anything. Okay? Sequence of figures, shapes, letters or numbers arranged alternately is called pattern. What it is called? Pattern. Okay? So, in the last period, we have learned increasing and decreasing pattern. Okay? Just a minute. See, increasing and decreasing patterns we have learned. Increasing means from smaller to bigger. छोटे से बड़े तक इंक्रीज करते जाना, बढ़ाते जाना. ओके? और डिक्रीजिंग मीन्स बिगर टू स्मॉलर, कम करते जाना. ओके? सो दिस वी हैव लर्न. नंबर पैटर्न्स ऑल्सो वी हैव लर्न. ओके? पैटर्न्स ऑफ नंबर्स मीन्स नंबर्स ऑल्सो कैन फॉर्म द पैटर्न्स. हम नंबर से भी पैटर्न्स बना सकते हैं, तो उसे बोलते हैं नंबर पैटर्न. एग्जाम्पल्स वी हैव सीन how here they have increased by +2. Okay? How they have increased by +2. Fine. And here how they have decreased by -3. Means decreased so -3, increased so +2. Okay? So my practice time 3. Now we will do the practice time. Complete the number patterns. See students, here they have started with the numbers. Okay? We have to observe the pattern, what it follows, and write the next numbers. Okay? Now we have 3, 6, 9. I will write here numbers 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. 12 and 15. Okay? These numbers are there and you have to write the next 3 numbers. Now let me check. See students, when you are following the number pattern, when you are writing about the number patterns, so you have to see how much numbers gap it is. हमें क्या देखना है? पहले नंबर में और दूसरे नंबर में कितने gap है, how many numbers are skipped, that we have to see. Okay? अभी 3 से 6 तक कितने numbers, 3 के बाद 6 आता है क्या? नहीं. तो कितने numbers यहाँ पे skip हो गए हैं ये देखना है. After 3 what comes? 4 and after 4 5. Okay? And then 5 6. Got it? So 4 and 5 means 2 numbers are skipped. 2 नंबर उन्होंने क्या किया है? स्किप किया है. यानी पहला नंबर, उसके बाद 2 नंबर्स स्किप, फिर जो थर्ड नंबर आता है वो उन्होंने यहाँ पे दिया है. ओके? नाउ आफ्टर 6 लेट अस चेक. 7, 8. Again 2 numbers are skipped. Okay? Means what they have done? How many numbers they have skipped? 2. And they have increased. So +2. Okay? Then after 9, 10, 11, here 12 is there. After 12, 13, 14, here 15 is there. Okay? Now here after 15, see, after 15, 2 numbers you have to skip. 15 के बाद हमें 2 नंबर्स स्किप करने हैं. तो 15 के बाद क्या आता है? 16, 17. Okay. So what will be the next number? 18. Very good. So 18 is the answer. Got it? Now here 18 is there. So after 18 again 2 numbers you have to skip. 19, 20. Then 21. See, 2 numbers skip, third number write. 2 numbers skip करने हैं और third number लिखना है. Okay. Now here I got 21. So after 21, 2 numbers you can skip. Okay. So 21, 22, 23. Then after 23, 24. Okay. So one number this plus 2. Okay. So 2 numbers they have skipped. Okay. Come on, write it. Write the answer. Write the answer. Finish. Okay. Now next. 6, 13, 20, 27, 34. Now let us see how many numbers are skipped. What number pattern they are following. 6, 13, 20, 27. Okay. Now from 6 till 13 how many numbers are missing? 6 से लेके 13 तक कितने numbers missing है? Okay. 6 तो already है. Fine. तो 13 भी है. तो numbers कितने miss हो गए? Come on, let us count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many numbers are this one missed? 6. Okay. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 and 3, 6. Okay. And 13 is there already. Fine. Means 6 numbers skip, 7th number right. 6 नंबर हमें स्किप करने हैं और 7th नंबर हमें लिखना है. Got it? Now here 13 you got. Now after 13 skip 6 numbers. 6 numbers हमें skip करने हैं. Okay? Come on. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay? 19. Then which is the next number? 20. So you will write here 20. It is there already. Got it? Now next. From 20 to 27. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay? And 27 means 7th number is there over here. Okay? Now from 27, if you will count 7, then you will get 34. Now from 34, count 7 fingers, means 7 times. Okay? 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, okay, and then 41. Okay? What is there? 41. Okay? So 41 will come. 6 नंबर स्किप करने हैं और 7th नंबर लिखना है. Okay? Means 7 you have to count. Now after 41, come on, count 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 and one more time, just wait, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and then which number will come there? Yes, which number? 48. Okay, come on, write it. Finish. Count after 48, 7 fingers. Yes, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay, come on, write it. Write the sequence. Be fast. Finish. Now next. Now here see the number patterns. Okay, observe it carefully, students. 25, 23, 21. See students, numbers they are increasing or decreasing? आगे वाले numbers आ रहे हैं या पीछे वाले? Yes, it is coming backward numbers. Yes ना? 25 before 25 comes 23. 23 के पहले 21 आता है, तो पहले नंबर before numbers you have to. So what you have to do? You have to decrease. Okay, you have to decrease means you have to minus the numbers. पीछे जाना है हमें. Okay. So 25 I will write here. 25, 23 and 21. Okay. Now from 25 till 23 how many numbers are missing? 25 से लेके 23 तक कितने नंबर्स मिसिंग है यहाँ पे? Let me check. Before 25 what comes? 24. Only one number is missing. Okay. So one number you have to skip and write the another number. So 23 before 23, 22. Here 21 is there. Before 21, 20. So next will come 19. Okay. Then before 19, 18 and here will come 17. Till here we have reached. Okay. Then 17 number missing 16 and here will 16 and here will come 15. Okay. तो यहाँ पे आ गया 15. Fine. Now before 15 what comes? 14. 14 we have to one number skip. So 14 gaya. 14 before 13. Okay. So 1, 3, 13. Understood? Now 13 before 12. 12 को छोड़ दो. 11. Okay. Come on. Right. Come on, be fast. 15, 13 and 11. Be fast everyone. तो यहाँ पे हमने बढ़ाया या कम किया? Is it increasing or decreasing? Yes, decreasing. Okay, come on, right. Write it fast. Now next 48, 44 कम हुआ है या ज़्यादा हुआ है? Yes, is it increased or decreased? Is it increased or decreased? Okay, yes, it is decreased. देखो 48 के पहले कौन आता है? 44 आता है, तो उन्होंने क्या किया है? ऐसे कम किया है. क्या किया है? कम किया है. ओके. सो लेट मी राइट द नंबर्स फर्स्ट. 48, 44, 40. ओके. फ्रॉम 48 till 44 हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर मिसिंग? 48 से लेके 44 तक कितने नंबर्स मिसिंग है? चलो उल्टा काउंट करो. 47, 46, 45. Okay. So how many numbers are missing? 3 numbers. Just a minute. How many numbers are missing? 3 numbers. 3 numbers मिस हुए हैं और 4th नंबर लिखा है. Okay. So from here till 44 I will get. Now from 44 3 numbers count back. 43, 42, 41, 3 numbers and 4th is 40. Okay. ऐसे करते गए तो 32 तक आ जाएगा। अभी 32 से हमें काउंट करना है। ओके, कम ऑन। 31, 30, 29 and which number you have to write? Fourth number. So 29 before 28. So here will come 28. Okay, got it students? Now from 28, 3 numbers miss and fourth number right. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. Got it? Now 24 before 23, 22, 21 and 20. Got it everyone? In this way you have to do. देखो जितने नंबर्स स्किप करने हैं उतना स्किप करो और जहाँ पे लैंड करना है वो नंबर्स लिखना है और जब आपको नंबर मिलता है तो वहाँ से वो आगे का काउंट करना है. ओके, नाउ here I got 28. So while finding out the next number I have to leave the 28. अभी 28 यहाँ पे मुझे मिला है तो नेक्स्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए मुझे 28 से आगे पीछे काउंट करना पड़ेगा. वेदर इट इज फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड बट यू हैव टू लीव दैट नंबर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट 42, 37. अगेन इट इज डिक्रीजिंग. गाड़ी पीछे ली है उन्होंने, है ना? ओके, कम ऑन, लेट मी सी. 42, 37, 32. Okay, count it backward. Let me check how many numbers are missing over here. 41, 40, 39 and 38. Yes, na students? 4 numbers skip, 5th number right. Okay, so 4 numbers skip, 5th number right. 4 numbers skip, 36, 35, 34, 33, 5th number right. Okay, ऐसे अगर किया आपने तो 22 तक आ जाएगा. अभी 22 से बाद में लिखना है हमें 22. ओके, कम ऑन, 4 नंबर स्किप. 21, 20, 19, 18 and 5th number will be before 18 what comes? 17. Okay, so 17 is the answer. Got it? Now after before 17, 16, 15, 14, 13 and 5th number will be what? 12. How many? 12. And here will be 7. Okay, come on, write it. Finish it fast. 17, 12 and 7. Okay, now next, fill in the missing blanks. See, here also you have to fill in the missing blanks. Okay, now we are 10, 20, 10, 20, है ना? 10 के बाद 20 ही आता है. So it is increasing forward. Okay, now what is the this one? कितने का गैप है यहाँ पे? Yes, 10, 20, 10, 10 का है ना? 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, now next 42, 32. देखो 42 पहले आता है या बाद में आता है? 32 पहले आता है ना? तो डिक्रीज किया है उन्होंने, कम किया है. ओके, हाउ मेनी? सी, 42 and 32. Come on, count it back. 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33. These many numbers are missing. Let us count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 नंबर्स मिस हो गए और 10th नंबर यहाँ पे लिखना है, यानी 10 का डिफरेंस है. ओके, सो बिफोर 42 इफ यू विल काउंट टिल 10 यू विल गेट 32. अभी 32 से हमें काउंट करना है, 9 नंबर्स स्किप करने हैं और 10th नंबर यू हैव टू राइट. कम ऑन, काउंट इट बिफोर 32 से पहले. 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. How many numbers we have skipped? 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. One more. 23 and 9. So what comes before 23? Yes, 22. Okay. So here will come 22. Got it? अभी 22 से पीछे हमने काउंट किया तो कितने आएंगे? 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13 and then last 12. Okay? Come on, write it. Last number they have given already 2. Finish writing 22, 12 above also. Okay, now next here 24 and 20 means decrease, कम किया है उन्होंने, है ना. 24, 20 पीछे आए हैं वो, तो हमें बिफोर काउंटिंग करना है. ओके, वी हैव टू काउंट बैकवर्ड. नाउ हियर 24 and 20 is there. So what is the difference? 23, 22, 21. 3 numbers are missing. 4th number you have to write. Okay. Now before 20, count the numbers. 19, 18, 17. 3 numbers missing. So which number will come here down? 16. Yes, na? Which number? 16. So here will be 16. Okay. Now before 16 count 3 numbers and 4th number right. Okay. So 15, 14, 13 and here 12. Okay. Come on, write. Below also I will tell you. 3, which is number missing? 4, means only one number is missing. So 5 is given. After 5 what comes? 6. Skip it. 7. 7 after? 8. Yes, na? 7 after? 8. 8, skip it. And then 9. Okay. Then after 9, 10, skip. 11. Okay. Come on, write it. चलो लिखो जल्दी जल्दी. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Finish? Understood, students? How we have to follow the number patterns? Okay? If number pattern they have asked, you have to see the missing, how many numbers it is skipped और what is the difference, कितने का gap है वो हमें सब देखना है. And whether they are counting forward, means forward they have counted or backward they have counted, plus they have done a minus, that also we have to see. Okay. If you will do it carefully, you will get the answers. Okay. Now next, see on the next page, mental math. State true or false. If the sentence is true, draw a happy face. if the sentence is false, draw a sad face. Okay, देखो यहाँ पे उन्होंने sentence दिया है, तो अगर sentence correct है तो happy face, and if the sentence is wrong, sad face. Okay, come on. First one, patterns can be seen everywhere. Patterns हमें सभी तरफ दिखाई देते हैं ना? Yes, we can see patterns everywhere. Yes, on the walls, decorating, on our dress. Yes, the students, everywhere. So it's correct. So draw your smiley face. Draw two eyes and make here like this. Okay? Next, first pay attention, afterwards you can write the next number in the pattern. See, what is the pattern? 1, 4, 7 and 10. I will write here 1, 4, 7, 10. Okay? So how many numbers are skipped? 2, 3, 2 numbers. After 4, 5, 6, yeah 7, 8, 9, 10. Then after 11, 12, it should be 13. What it should be? 13. But here they have given 14. So the sentence is wrong. So draw sad face. Got it? Now next. 2, 10, 18, 26 is a number pattern. Is it a number pattern, dear students? Yes. Are they following a number pattern? 2, 10, 10, 18, 26. So from 2 till 10, how many numbers gap is there? Let me check. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 3, 3, 6, 7. 7 numbers are skipped, 8th number they have wrote. Okay. So after 10, 7 numbers skipped. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 18 they have written. So like this 26 it will come or not, see. 18, it's correct. After 18 count 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 8th number 26. So this is correct. So happy face. Okay. 40, 30 देखो कम किया है उन्होंने, पीछे गए वो. हाँ 40, 30, 20, 10 is a number pattern. Yes. Okay. Come on, write it. Write fast. Smiley, sad, smiley, smiley. Okay, fine. Now see, hot question. Use the numbers given below and make number patterns of your choice. See students, here they have given many numbers. Okay, many numbers they have given. So you have to choose the numbers of your choice. You have to take the number and make a number pattern. Here one they have given 1, 2 is missing 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing 7, 8 is missing 9. So like this we can form the increasing pattern also and decreasing also. Okay. So what I will take? I will take here 11. Okay. Fine. 11 I will take. So one number you have to skip. 12, skip it. Is there any 13? Yes. So 13. 14, skip. 15 is there? Yes. 16, skip. 17 is there? Yes. 18, skip. 19 is there? Yes. So 19. Okay. So you can form a pattern. See, decreasing also you can form. 20 I will take and I will count backward now. Okay. One number skip. 20 before 19 skip. 18 it is there. Before 18 17 skip. 16 is there. Before 16 15 comes, skip. 14 is there. 13 skip. 12 is there. Okay. So one increasing and one decreasing we have formed. One more increasing we can take, 4, 5 skip, 6, after 6, 7 skip, 8, after 8, 9 skip, 10, after 10, 11 skip, 12. Okay, come on, write it fast. चलो लिखो, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, increasing pattern, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, decreasing pattern, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is also increasing pattern. Okay. Next, I experiment with maths. So these you can read, and if it is possible you can do at home. It's not compulsory. Okay. Now what are the things we have learnt in this chapter? We will have a short summary. Okay. See, I learnt many people in India, see maths in my life, many people in India make beautiful patterns using colors. See, we can make a pattern of colors also. कलर के भी हम पैटर्न्स बना सकते हैं. This pattern is known as रंगोली. What? रंगोली. जब हम रंगोली ड्रॉ करते हैं तो पैटर्न फॉलो करते हैं ना, कलर्स भरते वक्त, डिजाइन निकालते वक्त. ओके, सो this rangoli is also one type of pattern. It is also known as kolam or muggu. In other languages it is, rangoli is also known as kolam and muggu. People make rangoli during the festivals of Diwali, Onam and Pongal. See, whenever festivals are there, we make rangoli. Yes na? Fine. Now what are the things I learnt? Chapter 7, patterns. We can make the patterns of things. Example you can see here. Okay, we can make the patterns of colors also, like pink, green, patterns of shapes also we can make, geometrical shapes, triangle, square, triangle, and we can make the patterns of numbers also. Okay, we have to see the skipped number and which is the number given. Now we are down, they have given the meaning. Pattern is a repeated design. Okay, and sequence is what? Arranged in an order. Okay. My learning beyond. See, take a look at this road. Take a look at this road. Do you see patterns on it? Students, can now here there is a road. Can you see a pattern? Yes. See, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white. Okay, so they have alternately arranged colors pattern. Fine. See, this pattern separates the road into two paths. Fine. Person must drive vehicle on either side of this pattern and never on it. This pattern is known as zebra crossing. See, can you see here? White lines, it is called zebra crossing. All vehicles must stop before this pattern. Before these white lines, all vehicles must stop. Okay? On the red light signal, we should cross the road on zebra crossing only. The person who is walking on the road, they should use zebra crossing to cross the road. Fine. All people must walk on this path. This is known as footpath. Can you see a brown part? Yeah, it is footpath. Okay. These patterns on the roads are made to ensure your safety. These patterns are for your safety. Okay. So you can do this afterwards by your own. Fine. So students, in this way we have completed our chapter, that is chapter number 7, pattern. and also we have completed our term 1 syllabus. Okay, hope all the concepts are clear to you. Thank you.